Hello everyone. In this video we will see how the generalized measurement system will work. So in any measurement system there are 6 to 7 elements are there to measure the quantity. Suppose there are some instruments we have already made for measuring the temperature. We made the thermometers. For measuring the speed we generate the speedometers. For measuring the pressure we uses the different pressure gauges, and for every other physical thing which we have to measure, we made some instruments. So that instruments will have some 6 to 7 elements, and that elements how it works and how it is arranged we will see in this video. So the first element is like first element is a primary sensing element. So that first element will be in the contact with the physical quantity which is to be measured. That will be directly in the contact, and it will absorb some energy to measure. So that will be the function of the primary sensing element. Then the second will comes as a variable conversion element. So that variable conversion element will have a job to convert one form of energy into another, or one form of signal into another. So for that we generally use the transducers. So that the job of the transducer is that physical quantity will be converted into electrical quantity in the modern days of instrumentations, or in the measurement system instruments. So variable conversion element will do the one form of energy into another form. In the desired form it will be generated, and then converted signal will be transmitted to the variable manipulation element. So the job of the variable manipulation element is to manipulate the particular signal. In some cases the quantity of the signal is a very low or a very small amount, so that can be amplified or that can be modified by using variable manipulation element. So the manipulation of the signals will be done by that particular element. Then next, the amplified signal or the manipulated signal will be transmitted to the data transmission element. So in the data transmission element, the signal from one location to another location will be transmitted. So it can be transmitted by a cable, or it can be transmitted by one computer to another computer. So in some cases where it is not possible directly to process the element, so we can transmit by using various number of elements. So that will be the data transmission element. Then the transmitted data, which is in the form of the transmitted data, can be provided to the data processing element. Data processing element will modify the signals, or it can be record the signal. So data processing is not necessary in every instrument. It is a kind of optional element. Nowadays in the modern instruments that element is there, but in case of thermometer, or in case of simple pressure gauges, in that cases the data processing element is not necessary. So that data processing element will be there in complicated measurement system, so that can process the data, and process signal will be transported to the data presentation element. So data presentation element will be the display, or we can say it as a presentation of a physical quantity. Like every devices has its own indications. So like that weighing machine, in the weighing machine, if it is a digital weighing machine, so that will use a digital format in terms of kgs, or in terms of any other units for the quantity. Then thermometer, in case of thermometer, it will shows the particular display element will be there. So in that display element we will see the temperature or the rise of a mercury, and that display scale will be there. On that scale we can easily measure, so that will be acts as a data presentation element. So whether where the data is represented by the particular display or any other thing or the scale, so that will be called as the data presentation element. So this is about the generalized measurement system. And